So this is what holds all of our liner, the cowl tube, all the material onto the drum. We call this the drum. And that's what's pressurized. So it's all made to have pressure on it. And then the blue spool, that's the light. So that's the head of it that Peter's holding here. This has 336, basically like head mat.
Oh, gotcha.
And it's got a camera on the front of it too, but we'll put it down there in place, and then this thing powers up and it's like a really, really strong light, and then it just feeds it back slowly and it cures it the whole way back. That's what makes this system different.